So the end of timeout. I know there are two separate videos. Varad, a long range ball. Amay Patil, it's in. Amay Patil, he has a touch. He knows he scored it, and that ball from Varad was something else. A three-touch goal. It is Amay Patil's score. Restart. Vedant Bhosle. Pass for Ronak. And that was a great goal. Ronak's pass. It's put in. Varad does it from Freezy Falcons. Good to see a lot of goals in this fixture. Dhumar. Dhruv Shaha. Intercepting touch, Ronak. And Amay Patil zones Ronak away. Great turn of events as Bhaskar has the snatch. Attempted gap. Vedant Chogule on the rise. Amay Patil is free on the other wing. It's too slow. I think the ball could have been played sooner by Vedant Chogule. And Amay Patil could have, applied the brakes. But he has the ball and he'll go for the volleying finish. It's not on target. So the video might be in two pieces after the first time out. I truly apologize. It was a mistake from my end. No footage has been missed though, and this is going in. Yes, Bhaskar scores it in. This is Bhaskar just feeling it. He finally has a goal. He has been hungry for that feeling, for that emotion to draw all over his body and soul. This feeling of scoring a goal. And Bhaskar is free to play forward because of that goal perhaps. Dhruv Shaha. He is substituted out as far as I know. Ronak. Rugwed. An intercepting touch from Ronak. Freezy Falcons taking over the field by a storm, but it's Varad to put the right foot at the stretch. Denies this dribble from going any further. Ronak. Ball on the inside. An awkward touch by Rugwed. Rugwed has got rid of his sleeves. And that was a great try. I mean, Rugwed would not have reached the ball, only Ronak would. And I don't see a reason for going for a bicycle at that tight of an angle. Nice pass. Tackle from Bhaskar, it's good. Rane. Varad. Inside ball towards Vedant Chogule. Lot of running to be done. Put out by Rugwed at one touch. Varad from Freezy Falcons. He scored the latest goal. It was assisted by Ronak. And that was proper positioning by Varad, number 3 of Freezy Falcons. Ball up in the air. Problems. Varad. And this one is going in. The ball has gone in. It is a goal. The ball crossed the goal line fully. Vedant Bhosle was on the verge of getting the goal line rescue. It's just not enough. Another one scored in by Amay Patil. Restart. Ball for Ronak. A good fake. Amay Patil. Dhumar. Great pass, and that would have been inside. Amay Patil catching Mahendra off guard and fallen down on the ground. but Mahendra has a save produced even though he fell down. So props to him. Kept in play, Amay Patil. Not giving up. And Harshwani tries to get it in. No touch. Goalkeeper's throw. Varad taking his time. Amay and Patil. That was loose by Harshwani, cleared out by Varad. Harshwani, lack of focus. Fair play by Varad. Vedant Bhosle. Ronak does get the ball. And that was fouled by Amay Patil on the upper body. Ronak will take his time, he'll take his free kick. It's a pass. Dhruv Rane on the ball. He got the ball, so this one will be a corner kick. Ved. I know it looked harsh. Ronak, corner kick. Blocked by Amay Patil. Chance here. It's not very well struck. Vedant Bhosle. Off target. Amay Patil. Nice pass, but it is Mahendra who gets the ball out. Rugved muscles it in. Ankles broken, but not fully. Corner kick. Harshwani. And that pass, was it too risky? It did look like Ronak got the ball away. And Varad was 1 millisecond away from getting it in. I know this free kick is a dangerous one. Dhruv Rane against Vedant Bhosle. It's saved! Graceful. Amay Patil. And that is saved. Very easy to stop for Mahendra, this one. Swaraj, Rugved. Out of bounds. Vedant Bhosle. And Swaraj gets it out. Ronak. Inside ball. Swaraj. And Amay Patil takes a touch, but Bhaskar, his pass is blocked off. Rugved. Cleared out by Varad. Shaky decision making by Rugwed to play that pass. Tackle coming in from Swaraj. Good pass, Bhaskar. Swaraj. Intercepting touch by Vedant Bhosle. The ball is out. Line cut off foul. Amay Patil. Bhosle beats Swaraj. Pass blocked off by Varad. Swaraj. Great pass. Amay Patil. One extra touch will do it. And this should be a goal. This is a goal. Swaraj will net that assist in as that man with the assist and the goal scorer. So the tally keeps on increasing for Amay Patil. Freezy Falcons. They need more firepower. They don't need those fouls. Bhosle, back to Ronak. Well done by Ronak. Very good skill. Side kick. Dhruv Rane takes it. Ronak just runs into Vedant Chogule there. I know he has beaten him, but then the ball is nowhere close in terms of reach. Side kick. Long range passing. Awkward touch. Ronak. Sharvil. Bhaskar has the ball. Varad Duma clears. Doesn't want any of it, and Mahendra, it's not out of the line. I thought it was about to be a corner kick. Would have been a very poor touch. Vedant Bhosle, shot blocked. Sharvil. Varad. Rugwed. And Rugwed. Pass stopped by Ronak. Still Ronak. A heavy touch. Ronak, he ran the entire field. Swaraj. Chance to shoot. Saved by Mahendra. And Rugwed, his shot is blocked too. Ronak, it's on the line. Chance for Vedant Bhosle, tight angle. Could have easily played a pass to Ronak. Varad, chance to shoot. And this is on target. Goal scored. A satisfying feeling. Not the most happy one for Vikings. They are in lead, but they don't want to get overconfident. They want this full game to be victorious, not just the goals, not just the individual performance of a single player. Freezy Falcons. Vedant Chogule. It's blocked by Bhaskar. Final touch from Vedant Chogule. Sharvil. Ronak. Visibly tired. Dhruv Rane. Amay Patil, and he has a lot of momentum and energy. Amay Patil, it's blocked by Bhaskar. Sarth, not the best of touches. He's very young though, isn't he? Lot of things to learn in futsal and footballing terms. Sarth, Sharvil, the tiny ones. Rugwed, chance to shoot. Vedant, he going for the top corner, and that is going to be a timeout. I mean, he tried to get it in. It's just not on target. That was Vedant, the final man to touch the ball. We'll see the ball touched again by all of these players after the timeout comes to an end. The timeout comes to an end. Freezy Falcons still struggling to find more goals. Sarth, Raghav, tackle from Varad Dumar. Good pass. Amay Patil. And he has missed the ball timing. Vedant Chaugule takes the ball forward. It has touched his knee and not on target by Vedant Chaugule. Amay Patil couldn't get the sole drag on the ball. He tried to get the ball turned towards his left. Unsuccessful there. Amay Patil. And that was not very well struck. Varad. Blocked by Bhaskar. Brilliant. Amay Patil, how has he missed that one? Going for a top corner at that point blank. The range was too much. Enough to fire it anywhere and perhaps have it going in as a goal. But then of all targets, it has gone off target. Nice tackle. Actually a good interception by Ronak. Off target. And that is the end of the first half. We'll be back after a break. We'll shoot the second half in the same video itself.